Ready to revolutionize your app with powerful communication features? Let's get your Twilio account set up in minutes. First, head over to Twilio.com. You'll see a prominent Sign Up button, usually in the top right corner. Click that to begin the registration process. You'll be presented with a simple sign-up form. Fill in your name, email address, and choose a strong password. Then, confirm your email by clicking the Start Your Free Trial button. Check your inbox for an email from Twilio. Locate the verification link, usually a button that says Verify Email Address, and click on it. This confirms you own the email you provided. Next, Twilio needs to verify your phone number, which is crucial for authentication. And for using Twilio services, enter your current mobile or landline number into the designated field and click Continue. You'll receive a text message with a verification code. Grab that code and carefully enter it into the verification field on the Twilio website. This step ensures your account is secure. Congratulations, your account is created. You're now looking at the Twilio console, your central hub for everything Twilio. From here, you can explore Twilio's vast range of products. Want to send SMS messages, make phone calls, integrate email? It's all accessible right here. For developers, the documentation and Get Started sections are invaluable. They'll guide you through integrating Twilio's powerful APIs into your applications. That's it. You've successfully created your Twilio account and are ready to start building amazing communication experiences. Happy coding!